That's pretty cool, and we thought it would be like a great example to show the NPU working. Now, let's continue talking about our great partners and great devices. The next partner I want to welcome on stage is actually also a personal friend. Besides being a great partner, is somebody I have a lot of admiration to. I think we meet a lot with discussable things in the industry, and is a great friend of mine. I'm actually very proud to be also his partner. I'd like to welcome to stage Enrique Lores, the CEO from HP. Thank you so much for being here.
Do you give me a hug?
Yes, I'll give you a hug. Of course I'll give you a hug. Thank you so much for being here with us. Really appreciate it. This is a great time for the industry, and I thought you and I will have a conversation, especially as you think about those great devices. So when you look of your customers, what are your thoughts on this new AI, on the Copilot Plus, and how will actually benefit organizations as we enter this new area of innovation?
Sure. So first of all, let me thank you for having me on stage and share a bit of my personal feeling. As you, I joined the industry many years ago as an intern. And when I look at the opportunities that we have to disrupt, to innovate, to create new things, I have the same excitement or more than I had 34 years ago when I joined.
Fantastic.
And I think this really summarizes the amount of change that all of us are seeing. I think when we talk to our customers about the opportunities this creates, it's clearly very disruptive. Because from one side, we see the incredible opportunities to create productivity that this brings, and at the same time, the opportunities to provide flexibility to the employees that want. And that's what is unique about this opportunity that we have ahead of us. And it is really not something that is going to happen in the future. It's something that is happening today. For example, we have been working with Deloitte, one of our largest customers, during the last months, to build an AI model that is going to be integrated into the AI PCs that we are building. And in the models we have built, in the testing we have seen, they are able to save up to 100,000 hours of work that they will be able to return to their employees to either do more work or do something with their lives. But this talks about the potential that these products have, the potential opportunities that we have, and why we are so excited about this.
Everybody needs to get this new PC. It's incredible. So look, thank you for sharing this with us. Now, what this launch of the AI PC actually means to HP?
I think we are all in behind this new launch. And I have to start by thanking Cristiano and his team, because I remember when you called me 3 years ago and tell me, we are working on this, will you guys be willing to work with us? I said, yes, we are in. And I have to say that the Qualcomm team has delivered. They have delivered on the commitments they made on performance, battery, improvements. They have addressed the limitations that they had in terms of application compatibility. So thank you for the work you have done. And we are so in that we really think that this category of AI PCs is going to represent up to 50% of our business 3 years from now.
Incredible.
In fact, the second half, we expected about 10%, but this is clearly something that we will never be able to do alone. It requires the industry collaborating, and I think you see during today that clearly all of us are behind this opportunity because we see the opportunity to disrupt that this really creates.
Thank you so much. By the way, everything you said just make us even, I think, more committed. We're incredibly excited of being in this situation today.
Thank you.
And we will not be here without your trust in your partnership. So I really thank you. Thank you. Big time thank you. So now, what are the key advantages of your portfolio, and what actually excites you the most about this technology and these products?
Thank you. So this is one of the last products that we introduced, the first product that integrates the Snapdragon device. And before I talk about the product, I want to take this opportunity to thank the team that has built it. Because we have a very strong team here in Taipei. They have been working on this product. They are actually, many of them are in the room. So thank you guys for the work you have done. Big thank you. Actually, I should have said thanks, guys and girls. Both of them have contributed to this. And really, this is our first generation product. We decided to take a different approach and design it from the ground up. We thought it was important to redesign the full mech, the full board, to really be able to bring the characteristics of Snapdragon alive, and we have achieved that. We have the lowest battery consumption. We have measured up to 30 hours, as you know. And our products are being really acclaimed by the industrial design. You can see how sleek it is, and really brings all the characteristics of thermals that Cristiano was mentioning before. So we are really excited about this new product. And again, we want to thank you for the collaboration bringing it to market.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. We should take a photo together with this great product. Don't forget to buy. Thank you so much.
Cristiano.
Really a pleasure. Thank you again for everything.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Enrique. Look, it's really great, and I wanted to kind of repeat. At the end of the day, it's by companies, great companies working together, we actually can accomplish great things. Let's continue talking about experiences, and I pick a couple of different examples. I show you the last DJ Pro, but I wanted to show you some other example of an application of those make full use of the technology and AI available at the Copilot Plus PCs. Let's take a look at creative apps. DaVinci Resolve is a pro-level video editing app, and what can be achieved and how fast can be accelerated using the Snapdragon X Elite NPU.
DaVinci Resolve combines editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production in one software tool for amazing creative results. You can collaborate with others in the same project in real time, and you don't have to switch applications. Used by most top film and TV productions, millions of creative pros depend on DaVinci Resolve. We also offer a fully featured free version as well, allowing anyone to use Hollywood-quality software for their video editing. DaVinci Resolve Studio, the paid version, includes a suite of powerful AI-oriented features, with some optimized for Snapdragon X Elite's NPU. Things like Magic Mask for near-instant object tracking, rotoscoping, AI Smart Reframe, or superscale image enhancement. For example, with the NPU-accelerated Magic Mask, Snapdragon X Elite was 4.7 times faster than a premium 14-core Windows processor with integrated GPU. We look forward to more performance optimizations in upcoming releases, and are really excited to see what our customers do with these new machines.
That's another great example, and especially when you think about ideation. How much do you want to do ideation using the processing capabilities on the device? Let's continue to talk about great partners and great devices. And the next one I'm going to bring to you is going to be a video. It's a very special partner. It's a partner that is as much associated to us as our entire history as a company. It's a partner that's really inseparable from Qualcomm. We're very proud of this partnership. I would like to welcome Woonjun Choi from Samsung that wants to share a message with you.
Thank you, Cristiano. I'm excited to share about Qualcomm and Samsung's vision for greater innovation. Together for 30 years, we explored the new frontiers, overcame challenges, and introduced new ways to connect and communicate. For 30 years, we have defined and delivered premium mobile experiences. Through this strategic collaboration, we have developed new technology for billions of users around the world. And I'm even more excited about the future we'll bring together for many more years to come. Our efforts to democratize Galaxy AI has enabled barrier-free communications, boundless productivity, and new levels of creativity. As we have done with the Galaxy S24 series, the world's first AI phone, we take our next leap together in PC with the Galaxy Book 4 Edge. The Galaxy Book 4 Edge is the first PC of its kind with the next generation AI optimizations, harnessing Snapdragon X Elite's industry-leading AI processing power. Its NPU and Qualcomm's Orion CPU set a new standard. It truly opens up unlimited possibilities in your life through the power of AI. With this launch of Galaxy Book 4 Edge, we are bringing Galaxy AI to more devices across the Galaxy ecosystem, and it goes beyond PC. The Galaxy AI ecosystem brings together Galaxy devices and provides a truly connected, seamless AI experience between your PC and your Galaxy smartphone. This is what Galaxy has been committed to since the very beginning, with our open collaboration partners like Qualcomm. We can't wait for you to experience the powerful performance and suite of Galaxy AI experiences with the Galaxy Book 4 Edge. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Woonjun, and our great partners at Samsung for all that you're doing with X Elite and building great devices. Okay, so now we're going to talk about developers, because this is also changing the opportunity for developers within the Windows ecosystem to take advantage of this incredible AI capabilities in the performance of the Copilot+. So there's something new here, and we actually announced simultaneous with the launch of Copilot+, the Qualcomm AI Hub for PCs. The Qualcomm AI Hub has over 100 pre-optimized AI models ready to be deployed. You can bring your own model and get that model ready to run into the device. And it provides, as it gets optimized, 2x faster inference running on those devices. This is enabling developers to go quickly create incredible applications using AI. And we could not think of a better one to show you today of this example of this developer that actually created the app using the AI Hub. It provides an accessibility app that helps more people use modern computing, and the NPU in action provides the performance benefits. You should see it.
At Cephabl, we want to create a world where anyone can walk or roll up to a piece of technology and control it in a way that works best for them.
Post. Type Happy International Day of People with Disabilities.
With the Cephabl app, anyone can use face expressions, head movements, gestures, adaptive voice controls, and more for Windows and any apps or games. Our AI neural networks that run on device deliver more accurate results and a customized user experience. By tapping into the NPU of the Snapdragon X Elite, we created the fastest and most accurate version of Cephabl yet. Using Qualcomm AI Hub to convert and test our models, Cephabl was running on the Snapdragon X Elite NPU in record time. Cephabl processed more frames per second for faster and more accurate interpretations of head movement and face expressions. The Snapdragon X Elite runs Cephabl's AI faster than an Apple M3 or even a discrete GPU from NVIDIA. Since the NPU takes on the AI workload,
Scroll down.
the CPU and GPU can focus on other apps and deliver faster performance and longer battery life. We can't wait for our users to experience Cephabl on PCs powered by Snapdragon X Elite and see what new experiences have been unlocked for them that were previously unattainable.
That's great. And I think what I like about this example is not only the application, but also the fact that it was quickly developed using the AI Hub. And I think there's an opportunity for us to see many apps that's going to make use of the Copilot Plus in the AI capabilities of X Elite to create whole new different user experiences. And when we talk about accelerating development, we also launch the Snapdragon Development Kit for Windows. You can pre-order today. It's available on June 18. We're tracking the pre-orders. We're very excited with the numbers, and we'll enable developers to create and optimize apps and experiences for those platforms and all those incredible devices. They are going to be in the hand of consumers, and that's, as I said, that's just the first wave. So as we look at everything combined, when we talk about the performance, we talk about battery life, we talk about the applications, we talk about some of the AI use cases. But at the end of the day, we need to start thinking about how we're going to create whole engaging experiences for users as we upgrade the PC to this new generation. And I want to bring on stage a company that has been with us on this journey, actually one that was one of the first ones to make the bet on Qualcomm as ability to create a lot of innovation, especially what will lead to the Copilot Plus. I'd like to welcome stage Sam Bird from Dell. Thank you, Sam.
Hey, Cristiano.
Appreciate it.
Good to see you,
Let's
man.
give me a hug too, man.
Yeah.
This is great. This is a great opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks. Hey, great to be here at Computex. It is definitely the place to be, as there is no question that the AI PC revolution is here. And as you've seen today, the AI PC experience that Cristiano just talked about is going to enable users to solve problems faster, jump-starting a whole new era of productivity and efficiency where the killer app is saving time. Something I could use more of, and I think we could use even more of in this keynote. And that's why, oh, you guys didn't help me on that one. Come on. Okay, thank you. Hey, thank you very much. Hey, so that's why Dell has gone all in. We have built a comprehensive portfolio of AI PCs, from gaming, premium consumer PCs, to mainstream business laptops, powerful workstations. And we just added 5 new AI PCs powered by Snapdragon X series processors. Got to say, these new devices offer blazing fast speed, groundbreaking battery life, and pretty outstanding AI performance. If you take a look at our XPS 13, our thinnest, lightest XPS now delivers multi-day battery life with what we believe will be an industry-leading up to 27 hours streaming. Pretty good, right? You like that? Yeah. Now, with its sleek, iconic design and ultra portability, this gorgeous system paired with Snapdragon X Elite creates an amazing device. And in my slightly unbiased opinion, I would say it's the best one on this beautiful rack over here. Created by the best engineering team, not to use some hyperbole after Enrique was here, but the best engineering team with some of the best partners on this island that I see in the audience. Thank you for your support. Hey, and that XPS 13, what's really incredible is it can run Llama 13B on the device. That's a 13 billion parameter AI model running locally, bringing AI to your data. You think about it, having that kind of AI power on the device is a really big deal. It means smarter, better experiences on the apps that you're going to use every day, like Copilot Plus, accelerating creativity, collaboration, innovation, and ultimately productivity. So, in closing, we share a common vision of delivering and building and enabling next-gen experiences that are going to make the AI PC a true digital partner, helping everyone, everywhere, unlock their potential today. And when you step back and really think about it, the PC was absolutely made for this moment. And I'm super excited to be working with the people in this audience and the incredible ecosystem here to lead the way. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sam.
Hey,
I really
thank you.
like what you said. The PC has been waiting for this moment. This is great. Thank you so much.
Thanks,
Thank you for
Cristiano.
the partnership. Appreciate it. All right, let's continue. And I know we're just a few minutes over. Don't leave. Don't leave. You need to wait to the end. So I talk a lot about Snapdragon X Elite, talk a lot about Copilot Plus, but there's one thing that is also unique to Qualcomm because where we came from. So in addition of all of those capabilities we talk about it, this is also a Snapdragon. It's the same set of suite of technologies that made Snapdragon the mobile leader. So you come, when you buy the X Elite PC, you also have the best of Snapdragon that only happens on Snapdragon. Snapdragon Connect with some of the fastest speeds of 5G or Wi-Fi, Snapdragon Sound with incredible immersive audio, Snapdragon Secure, Snapdragon Sight, and now Snapdragon Seamless, which is easily moved between your devices, between Snapdragon. And on Snapdragon Sight, it's the first PC with integrated always sensing image signal processor. So this is incredible. It will create new opportunities, and it's going to be a great example of mobile PC conversions. So as I get to the end of the presentation, not yet, but I want to talk about one great use cases that I want to make sure was not absent in this whole conversation. Because as we said in the beginning, we're actually coming to this ecosystem to bring a lot of innovation to stay, which is gaming. Gaming on Windows Copilot Plus with X Elite. X Elite's a full gaming platform for Windows, and we have spent a lot of time with many, many partners about the gaming experience. Many of us will use our PCs for games. And you need to have the benefit of high performance, extended battery life, lossless audio, which is essential for immersive in-the-action experience. And in addition to the GPU on Adreno to make the full use of the capabilities of the system. There's more than 1,200 games that are being tested on X Elite and optimized, including many AAA games. We've been working with Activision, Blizzard Entertainment, Epic Games, Remedy Entertainment, Ubisoft, EA, Roblox, NetEasy, Larian Studios, and many more, and of course, the Xbox Studios. And I want to leave you with this thought about, we show different NPU use cases. We show the NPU use cases for music, for example. Think about the potential of the NPU. When you think about AI, think about large language models of AI running on the device. You saw Dell talking about Llama. When you think about non-player characters and how it changes the game experience. I think we're also at the beginning of a revolution of gaming for AI. And this is exciting, I think, moment for the industry and for the PC industry as well. So with that, I want to bring our last partner that is here today to tell about devices. It's also a dear friend of mine, and I think from all the partners is the one that has the best choice of a t-shirt. I would like to welcome to stage Luca Rossi from Lenovo.
Hey, Cristiano.
Thank you.
I also deserve an
give me a
hug.
hug. Give me a hug, and we need to take a photo
Yeah,
with the
let's
PC
do it.
Reborn. Very good. I'll
All
leave
right,
you to
very
it.
good.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, thank you, Cristiano, and thanks all. It's definitely exciting to be here and talk about Lenovo, how Lenovo and Qualcomm are reshaping the PC industry. At Lenovo, we live by a simple vision, to lead in enabling smarter technology for all. And this vision shapes every product we make and everything we do. And there is a reason why Lenovo is the #1 PC maker globally, and almost 1 out of every 3 PCs, Windows PCs activated every day in the world is a Lenovo PC. And that is why we never stop innovating to offer the best experience, the best design, and the best engineering in the computer industry. This is more than just making devices. This is about creating a future of what we call smarter AI for all. And definitely our strong collaboration with Qualcomm over than a decade is a big part of helping us to achieve this vision. So our teams have been working hard together on our latest AI PCs. So we are proud to show everyone what are the first fruits of our labor. 2 premium Lenovo AI laptops powered by the Snapdragon X Elite, the ThinkPad T14S Gen 6 for unparalleled productivity, and the Yoga Slim 7X for unlimited creative expressions. The new ThinkPad and the new Yoga both offer impressive performance, outstanding battery life, and groundbreaking AI capabilities. The new ThinkPad T14S is engineered from the ground up from AI commercial performance with an ultra-thin profile, multi-day battery life, and the ultimate security features. This device represents the future of business computing, combining performance with sustainability, and it features one of the lowest carbon footprints in our entire ThinkPad lineup. And for consumers, our new Yoga Slim 7X is a must-have tool. With Copilot Plus, creators will be able to find anything they have ever seen on their PC with natural language, searching across time, apps, and platforms. But now, let me show you some of exclusive Lenovo AI experiences coming with the Yoga Slim 7X. First, let me introduce Lenovo AI Now, our native language agent that runs locally on the device. One of the things that makes this so special is the personal knowledge base. With the right permissions, AI Now can interpret user data to provide faster and personalized output. You have seen AI Now going through a script and generating both a thumbnail and a description to post on YouTube and share with the world. See? Was that very easy? And now, let's say the user wants to create more images of penguins to post on social. All they have to do is to use Lenovo Creator Zone. With text-to-image, Creator Zone can generate an image based off any idea. And if the image needs further refining, the sketch-to-image function can assist the user as well. All images you have seen were created with the same prompt, locally on device, with a built-in responsible AI check feature. Last but not least, to connect our AI PC with the rest of our portfolio, Smart Connect unifies Lenovo and Motorola digital ecosystems to create a seamless experience across all devices. So the AI PC era is now, a revolutionary leap as profound as when feature phones became smartphones. So to conclude, we are very excited what is ahead of us. The PC is really reborn. And thanks, everyone. And thanks for having me, Cristiano. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Luca. Appreciate it. It's really amazing. I agree. It is as profound as the transition from feature phones to smartphones. And I think it's important to realize that those, similar to what happened to smartphones, those new AI use cases will start with 10 cases, they're going to become hundreds, they're going to become thousands, and that's going to be the new experience. So we're incredibly excited to have all of our partners here talking about what this innovation actually means to this ecosystem and to all of you. And we're getting to the end of this presentation. Thank you for not leaving. I promise it will be interesting. We're getting to the end of this presentation. But before I get off the stage, I would like to give you a glimpse of our consumer campaign that will accompany the commercial launch of those devices.
What happens when game-changing technology meets innovative artistry. When creative possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Witness the extraordinary fusion of unrivaled performance, epic battery life, and best-in-class AI as the Snapdragon-powered PC empowers a visionary art collective to bring Odessa's dream installation to life. Stay close and tune in. Snapdragon and Odessa.
So, the PC is truly reborn. And June 18 is when those devices actually going to be in the hand of many users. This is about next generation PCs here today. Those incredible devices, you have seen it. And we're actually preparing with our partners to make sure it gets to the hands of many people as possible. Here's the global distribution and some examples across retail and commercial that we have been partnered and been very busy working together with all of our OEM partners with Microsoft so that you can start pre-ordering your PC or go to your favorite retailer and purchase one in person. This is not about announcing new products that will have the NPU capability. It's about the Copilot Plus PCs right now on June 18 in the hand of users. And the reality is many people are starting ordering. They're starting to go online, they start to go to retail, and they start ordering the PC. And we're just lucky enough to capture a very special person. Actually, we capture on video a very special person actually ordering their Copilot Plus PC. I want you to take a look.
What? Things change.
Yes, things change. Things do change. So, thank you very much. Thank you for the entire ecosystem of partners. Thank you to our great partners here in Taipei. We're grateful for the strong collaboration that actually make this moment a reality for us. We're looking forward to innovate together as we enter this new phase for the entire PC industry. And we'll continue to make sure our partners are successful. This is how we're going to be successful. Thank you again. Thank you for listening all the way to the end. And I've been very proud to be here with all you all today. And hopefully we'll continue to see Qualcomm here at Computex. Thank you very much. Thank you.